Hi everyone and welcome back. Let's understand what exactly source and targets means. So here source is nothing but a starting point of ETL process. So it is a one path of the location, or it can be a system to extract data into PowerCenter environment. So by using that particular source data, we can transform the data, and also we can define business rules and data quality checks. Whatever transformation we need, all those things we perform through that particular data. So that's why source is a starting point of ETL process. Target is nothing but a endpoint of the ETL process. Once we process the all the data by using different transformation, at end we are loading that data into target table, or it can be file, or it can be application. Okay, that is nothing but a target. Now in this lecture, first understand how to import data in Informatica environment. Okay, it means as a source or target. I will explain now. So in that case, in first I will explain relational database, later I will explain files. So here I am using two schemas. One is info underscore source schema and info underscore target schema. So here info underscore source schema, presently I have two tables. One is employees table and students table. These two tables having some data. Now let's see. Select the star from employees. So in this particular table I have some data. Same way I have some data in student table. Okay, so same way in target I have two structures. I don't have any data inside that particular tables. Okay, I have only structures. Employee TZT. So see, this is employee table structure. Same way I have student table structure as well. Now I want to import these two tables into Informatica environment. So in that case I am using Designer. So here this is Designer. Once you open your working folder, automatically the source analyzer is open. So in this, once you select this source analyzer, automatically here it's enable source menu. Click on this source menu. See here, currently I am importing from database, so that's why I choose this import from database option. Now presently, if you click on this drop down, presently I don't have ODBC connections to connect these two schemas. Okay, whenever you set up ODBC connection, then only Informatica connect to database and get these source and targets into Informatica environment. For that one, first what I will create ODBC connection. So once you click on this import database option, automatically this particular pop-up enable. If you click on these three dots, now here it's open this particular ODBC data source administrator pop-up. Here click on add option. Once you click on add option, automatically it generates this particular pop-up. Here we need to select whatever database you use currently. Select that particular database. In my case I'm using Oracle database, so that's why I choose Oracle VoIP protocol. Okay, so this is my Oracle VoIP protocol. Once you click on finish, automatically generate this pop-up. Here you can define any ODBC connection name as per your requirement. I will provide same whatever name exists in database. So same schema I provide in this particular connection information. Okay, info underscore source. So we need to some details to communicate Informatica to database. Here we have connect host information, port number, service ID, all this information we need. So how to get this information? Go to database, select that particular schema, right click, choose properties option. Okay, here we have all these particular host information related to this schema. Then copy this host name, paste here, and copy port number and copy this service ID also. Okay, once you choose any these two options, at least one option get disappear. Currently I am pointing to SID, so that's why I paste that XE as a service ID. See, this one get graded out. So if you provide here, this first one get graded out. Okay, so as per based on this particular information, you can provide this particular ODBC connection information also. In my case, I database level I'm using SID, service ID, so that's why I provide service ID. Once you click on test connect option, automatically it pop up one more pop up. So it is asking you to enter details like username and password related to this schema. Okay, so username is this one, password is whatever password you set for that particular schema, provide that particular password. Now click on OK. Once you click on OK, here it displays this particular connection established. It means now Informatica is able to communicate to our database. Now click on OK, apply, OK. Now first source connection ready. Now I want to add target connection. How to add? Same way. Click on add, choose protocol, Oracle wide protocol, then provide schema name info TZT, host name. Close this one, get this host name info underscore TZT, right click, go to properties. This is host name, same local host, port number 1521, right? Service ID is small XC. So these are very simple things here we are perform. Okay, click on test connect option. Now provide username and passwords. So this is my username, password, whatever password you set, you can provide that particular password. Click on OK. Now connection established. Now to import source and targets, Informatica is able to connect to database. Okay, now select that particular schema here. Okay, it means whatever ODBC name we provide, select the particular name. Click on this drop down, choose. This is my source. Already source exit under this username in database. So that's why I select this particular ODBC connection information here. Then provide username and password in source. If you select here, automatically whatever username you provide, same thing populated here. Then provide password. So once you connect here, whatever tables present inside this schema, all those particular information displayed here. Okay, let's suppose in this schema you have 100 tables, you can directly search those tables here. Let's suppose I need employees tables, so just click on reconnect. Now if you expand this one, only that particular employee table displayed here. This way we can filter the table while importing data into Informatica level. Okay, so this is one option. Okay, now select this particular table, click on OK. Now whatever table present inside that particular database, all that particular table automatically import. Now see here, it's now getting plus icon. Okay, so now source is ready. Now click on save. Now employees table gets inserted here. Now I want to import target also, right? Click on this target designer, same, click on targets, import from database. Here we don't need to create again. Click, already I created, right, connection. Click on that one, choose info TZT, provide username and also provide password. Click on connect. Now I need employees structure, right? Employee underscore target structure. Select that one, click on OK. Now see, target folder also get under target folder employee TZ gets created. By using the source and target, we can start ETL process by applying some rules. I hope you understand how to import source and targets in Informatica environment. In next lecture, I will explain how to import files, okay, how to load data from one source to target. I will explain in coming lectures. So I hope you understand. So if you have any queries, please post your queries in question and answer section. I will provide the detailed information. So that's it guys. Thank you.